teacher Sammy.
Hi kids! I'm your teacher Sami. Let's learn sight words and read them in sentences. Let's start. The first word is like. Like. Repeat after me. I like to eat pizza. Again, I like to eat pizza. Good. I like to eat hamburger. Again, I like to eat hamburger. Good job. Next word is are. Are. These are fruits. These are fruits. These are vegetables. Again, these are vegetables. Next is have. Have. I have a mango. Again, I have a mango. I have a watermelon. Again, I have a watermelon. Good. Next, want. Want. They want ice cream. Again, they want ice cream. They want chocolates. They want chocolates. Was. It was sunny. Again, it was sunny. It was raining. Again, it was raining. Next word is jump. Jump. She can jump. Again, she can jump. He can jump. He can jump. Good. Next is can. Can. I can draw. Again, I can draw. I can write. I can write. Say. Say. I say please. I say please. I say hello. I say hello. Next is see. See. I see a lake. Again, I see a lake. I see a mountain. Again, I see a mountain. Next, get. Please get my bag. Again, please get my bag. Please get my shoes. Please get my shoes. The I can ride the bike. Again, I can ride the bike. I can ride the horse. Again, I can ride the horse. On. It is on the table. Again, it is on the table. Next, it is on the chair. It is on the chair. And I see lions and tigers. Again, I see lions and tigers. I see owls and parrots. Again, I see owls and parrots. 4. This is for my mom. Again, this is for my mom. This is for my dad. Again, this is for my dad. Me. They gave me a flower. Again, they gave me a flower. They gave me a plant. They gave me a plant. Next, he is my father. Again, he is my father. He is my brother. Again, he is my brother. They are dancing. They are dancing. They are singing. They are singing. Next, that is an elephant. Again, that is an elephant. That is a hippo. That is a hippo. Good.
Teacher Sammy,